Hey, this is Adam with Ataraxia Pest Solutions. So what we're doing is we're installing a bird guard onto a house. You can see the vent right here inside. We had a bird's nest that has been cleaned out of the home. We're about 2 stories off the ground, a little bit more, so about 20 feet. So I'm going to show you how to install the bird guard. First thing you'll need is obviously a bird guard. In this case, we don't need a replacement, which would take that out and put a new one in. We're just going to put up a cover. You'll see on the 4 corners these little holes. That's where you're going to put in your screws, and we're going to use 1-inch screws. I have 6 because we have a tendency to drop them. And so we're going to install the first one. I'm going to hold the camera with my mouth. I think I can. Okay, and so the first one, once it's level, so you can go right up here. You're just going to screw that in, and then it should hold itself for the last 3. So you can see the first one up there. Depending on where the bird guard is mounted, you can take off the sticker on the top. If they're higher than 2 stories or 2 stories and above, we typically will leave it on. So the second one's going to go in this side. Screw it in nice and tight. And we'll stick on the third one. We're going to install this one on the bottom. And then we'll put on the last one right here on the left side. Now, sometimes you'll get it that'll overhang a bit. And there are occasions that you can leave a screw out and it's still sturdy enough to stay up there. So in this case, since we don't want to damage the siding, and because it looks like about a 1.5 to 2-inch gap, we're going to leave a screw off of there. And that's how to install a bird guard on the outside of your home.